Hey Chimani gang, I'm checking in on college students who are here. By college students, I mean university students who are here and are wondering how else can I make extra income without having to depend on anyone, right? And have more than enough and possibly start a business with the profits from my side hustle. These 5 side hustles are majorly for you. If you're ready, then let's dig into it. If side hustles ideas are something that you've been seeking for and you're thinking of which one should I go, you've been thinking about this, watch to the end to find the best one that won't interfere with your studies and still give you what you want. Side hustle number 1, campus tutoring. So that's you teaching your peers or teaching people. Like if you're in a department like English department and you're in 300 level, for instance, you can tutor people in your level, in the 200 level or 100 level, depending on the subject or the courses that you're strong in. Have you ever thought about this? People will willingly pay to understand better a particular course that they are dealing with, especially if you have understood better or you have even passed it and gone ahead to another level. They will gladly pay you to understand it. And the truth is, you can even do the tutoring without even being physically there. You can actually voice it. You can make it into a YouTube video that is unlisted, and they pay you and you send them the link to go watch. I mean, think about this. Your earning potentials are amazing, anywhere from between $15 to about $40 per hour. If you put in the, for that course, you can earn. Imagine what that will do for you with as an extra to your pocket money and all of that. Advertise on your campus bulletin boards or your social media or your campus social media pages, your university tutoring centers and all that. Go familiarize yourself with them. Let them know that you're here to help other students who need some help in one place or the other. Side hustle number 2, writing for blogs or newspapers generally. If you're very good with writing, why are you not maximizing it? Because people want to pay a student to do something that they could have paid so much more to give somebody who is not a student to do. So you cash in, making more money. You are possibly even going to get a retainer to write for blogs, to write academic papers, to write for websites, and you can earn anywhere from $25 to about $100 per article that you write. Right? How do you get started, you ask? Write and then have a portfolio of your kind of writing, then apply to the people that need it, website that need it, academic journals or editors who you even meet, or blogs. Send them email telling them what you offer. Right? Some people also go to apply on gig site like Fiverr, Upwork. I don't know how those work, right? In that sense, in the sense of I haven't made money from those platforms. I don't know how it works in that sense, but you could also try that out as a second option. And please don't even wait a second to start this. Okay, remember the goal is to make money without it disturbing your studies and you doing something that you are very good at, we are centered on doing. Another thing that you are obviously looking away from is managing social media for brands and organizations or individuals, right? Oh my God, do you know how many celebrities, business executives and all that who will gladly pay you because you're a student to manage their social media platforms? Yes, so you can decide the platforms you want to manage, maybe Instagram and Facebook, or Instagram or X, Twitter account. You can manage for businesses, right? Sit down with them, look at their goals and what their aspirations are, and go ahead and put your fee anywhere from $100 to $500 per month. Clients will be willing to pay because you're a student, you're upwardly mobile, you're fast, you're brilliant, you're young. Use those as your advantage. Yes. How do you get started? Of course, approach these small businesses and then tell them what you do. Show them platforms like yours that you have built, and make sure that you can you have already created a portfolio that they can see. All right. Side hustle number 4 for students is, of course, selling class notes. Yes. you have your notes up to date all the time, you do further research, you're always on point, and they keep asking you for your notes, keeping you away from your notes most of the time because they want to update theirs. Why not put a price on it? When you put a price on it, it's easier for you to duplicate your notes sometimes. Have the one you give out and the one you keep. Think about it, how I'm thinking about it. You can earn money by making sure that your notes are well organized, and in a way that other students are hungry to make sure that they can check theirs against yours and they can gain more updates. And this is a good way to also upsell them with tutoring as well, like I mentioned in the first place. Anywhere from $5 they will be willing to pay to get their notes updated, right? $5 to about $30 per set of notes, depends on what courses. All right, and there are also platforms that already do this. Do you know there's a platform called Study Soup and Nexus Notes also? There you can upload and sell your notes. Did you even know? Now I'm plugging you in. All right, side hustle number 5, graphic design. See, especially when it comes to your student organizations, all of those people doing campus politics, people who are trying to write their books, your lecturers even who need help with one or two things, you can make a lot of money graphic designing, right? Design flyers, posters, t-shirts. There are so many things that students will want to do sometimes that they're looking for, how to make affordable t-shirts. You can come in handy, right? All you have to do is get a partner who actually sew the shirts, or brands where you can buy the shirts and then put your designs on them. Yeah, anywhere from $20 to about $100 per project you will be on, and I'm not even joking. Yeah, make sure you build a portfolio design or a design portfolio or whatever and then approach the people who would always need these jobs, like student organizations, and offer your service. Right now, these are the 5 I have curated here. If you want more ideas, please drop in a comment, let me know, and tell me these side hustles I think are perfect for you. And if you found any of this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more money making tips, and don't forget to let me know what you want to see in the next video, and I'll see you in that video. All right.